Hello, my name is Attorney Robert Guida, and I want to talk to you a little bit about owner's policy title insurance, why it's such a great idea to have your buyers purchase this at closing. Very common instance of a time when you would call your title insurer to have them indemnify an issue in title has to do with your title examinations, the registry of deeds. Okay, two things that could happen. First of all, the folks at the registry of deeds, they often have a lot of people that they waited on in the course of the day, and they're human, so they make errors occasionally. And that is errors in inputting data into the database that's there that we run as attorneys to find out who owns which piece of property, what bank has a mortgage, are there any liens. So some common instances here, running bank names. If we are in a foreclosure market right now. If you have bank names you have to run, try running Wells Fargo Bank or Bank of America. These banks have hundreds and hundreds of entries. Very difficult, and something could be overlooked. Common names. They type in something incorrect. Smith is a common name, but there are so many different ways you could have Thomas Smith. Middle initials, without middle initials. So again, these so many entries, very difficult to run. Errors can be made. Title examiner oversight. Most of the title examiners I know, they're great title examiners. They're experienced, they've been in the business forever. However, we miss some things sometimes. Title examiners may overlook an entry. In my own case, I had a title examiner miss an attachment. That attachment was $21,000. In that case, again, buyer purchase and owner's policy of title insurance. The title insurance company took care to indemnify that attachment. We made sure that it was paid. Title insurance allowed this seller and this buyer, actually this buyer in this case, to refinance their home and move forward. Another common one is addresses. First Street, is it the number 1 with ST after it, or is it written out, FIRST? Sometimes, again, with addresses, your employee at the registry may type in the address but the wrong town. These errors occur. They're not as common as they may have been in the past, because now we watch a screen as we're recording the documents, but still there are errors because we're all human and that happens sometimes. So for this purpose and for purchasing a house, I really think it's important that you advise your buyers to buy the owner's policy of title insurance. Again, discounted price at closing, one-time fee, there's no annual premiums that go into it, and you have it so long as you own your property, no matter how many times you may refinance. So again, advise to purchase owner's policy, and I thank you for your time.